Last Christmas I got this SELPHY Canon printer, so this CP1500, and it's working great, but you know, using it with the intended power supply it sucks a bit. So I saw a couple of videos on YouTube saying that you can use it with this Ugreen 130 watt power bank. So I decided to 3D model some sort of holder that stick into the original place. So let's dive into it. So you will need those Velcro strap. I got them on AliExpress. It's 1 centimeter wide, and here I cut like 28 centimeter. 30 is good also. You will find the link below for those. So you can put the battery bank in this direction, so the power button will be on this side, right? It can slide a bit, but using the Velcro strap it will be fine. You can now insert them. When 3D printing this, please do not use support in those holes. Your printer will manage those, don't worry. So you can put both of them. And then tighten them so the battery is not too loose. So that's it for the battery itself. You can grab your printer, remove the back cover where you should put the original battery, and then you can slide your 3D printing part with your battery in it, so you will find the right spot for it. And then if it clicks, it means that it's okay. It won't go anywhere. Then you can grab your Type-C cable, also link below. It's a simple one. The most important part is this adapter. So it goes into the 3D printer, and through power delivery it gives 19.5 volts to the printer. So you can put this in here. Maybe there is a better way to arrange this cable, but you know, you will find. So yeah, now we can power up the battery, and then it's time to power up the photo printer itself. So I kept in mind the fact that the picture has to go from one direction to another, so there is a clearance below the battery, so it won't touch the paper. And as you can see, it draws quite a bit of power, almost 54 watts, yeah. But it's working with your own power bank and not buying another one just for this purpose. And then when you're done, you can power off the photo printer and remove the cable and use the dedicated lock mechanism to get your battery back. And this is it.